Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga po si Rick Jaka ng Bitibited 1K880. Activity 7, HVAC or HVAC technology. First is, what is HVAC? Stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC refers to the different system used for moving air between indoor and outdoor areas along with heating and cooling both residential and commercial buildings. So, ayun nga po, HVAC. Sabi dito ay stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Sabi dito, nag-move daw po to na sa pagitan ng indoor and outdoor, no, ng areas along habang ito ay mainit or lumalamig. Depende po sa depende po sa pressure or hangin na lumalabas-pasok doon sa building. HVAC parts. First is compressor. A compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. An air compressor is a specific type of gas compressor. So, yun nga po, no, yung compressor daw po ay isang mechanical na device na nag-i-increase ng malakas na pressure sa pamamagitan ng gas, tumataas daw po yung volume nito. Sa pressure na po ito, may hose siya. Then pag kinlik mo, may hindi ko alam kung tawag nun, parang hose. Then parang gripo siya na pag pinindot mo, may malakas na hangin na lumalabas. Ayun po yung ng compressor. Next is blower. Blowers are equipment or device which increase the velocity of air gas when passed through equipped impellers. They are mainly used for flow of air gas required for exhausting, aspirating, cooling, ventilation, conveying, etc. Blower is also commonly known as a centrifugal fans industry. So yung blower daw po isang equipment na kayang humigop o maglabas ng mga dumi or mga hangin or gas na maaari niyang i-exhaust. Next is evaporator coil. The evaporator coil is an essential component in an air conditioner that is responsible for providing the home or the office with proper cooling. The coil is usually located inside the actual unit, allowing it to reduce the temperature of the system without making anything cold. For the coil, this coldness is defined as simply the advance of anything hot. Things are only made colder when it is being removed when cooling your home or office. It's really removing the heat from your home. The coil function by absorbing the heat and removing this make you feel more comfortable. So, ayun nga po yung silbi daw po ng evaporator coil. Ito daw po yung nagsisilbing kung sakaling tumirik man yung makina mo, no, kailangan di po siya nawawala ng tubig kasi yung evaporator coil din po siya is yung malamig na parte sa part ng HVAC, no, na kailangan laging basa at ito ay laging malamig para kung sakaling may mga makina nagkakaskasan, di ba? Bakal sa bakal, ganun. So, siya po yung parang na nagiging pagitan nun, no? Nung mga nag-iinit na dun sa makina, siya po yung parang nagiging way ng pagpapalamig. What is HVAC fan? The most common HVAC fans are axial forward, curved centrifugal, the backward inclined, and each is uniquely suited to certain purposes. It's important to understand each one's difference in energy efficiencies. So, silbi po ng pan na to, no, ito po yung nag-a-absorb ng hangin, no? Kasi sa unahan po to, alam ko sa unahan to ng sasakyan. Nag-a-absorb siya ng hangin na pwede niyang pinapasok niya yung hangin na nasasalubong niya para yung makina is hindi ganun kainit. Kasi yung makina, ito ay nagiinit, no, dahil nga sa gawa sa metal. So, siya rin po yung nagsisilbing labasan siya po yung nagsisilbing pasukan ng hangin na sasalubong. Ang kahalagahan po ng fan, pag wala po yung fan, madali pong uminit yung makina o tumirik. Kasi yung fan na yan ay nagsisilbing gabay dun sa generator ba yun? Yung nasa unahan, no? Basta yun po yun. Next is condenser coil. The condenser coil is just one of many components that allow in an aircon to remove warm from the outside and vent inside. Not to be confused with the evaporator coils responsible for indoor air, which are usually located indoors compared to the condenser coils outdoor unit settings. So, ito po yun, no? Itong condenser coil, yung parang parang kumbaga sa atin yung aircon. Siya po yung nagpapalamig dun sa basta siya yung nagpapalamig dun sa tinatanggal niya yung init, no? Salitan sila ng init na pumapasok sa makina. So, siya po yung nagsisilbing lamig para hindi nga mag-overheat yung makina, yung sasakyan. So, ito po yung kung paano nagpo-function yung HVAC.
The basics of HVAC. The modern commercial or office building consists of many sophisticated systems. These systems include foundation and support structures, electrical and lighting, and plumbing and fixtures. Another major part of any building that is often taken for granted by its inhabitants is the HVAC system. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. In this unit, we will identify the purpose and goals of the HVAC system, describe basic HVAC parts, and describe how these parts work together. Air quality is an essential consideration in maintaining the productivity, comfort, and health of the occupants and should not be trivialized. If air quality and temperature are not maintained, occupant comfort in the workplace can suffer, directly affecting productivity and morale. The goals of an HVAC system. When examining the design of an HVAC system, we must remember the various roles that the HVAC system plays. We all know that when we're cold, we turn the thermostat up for more heat, and when we're hot, we turn the thermostat down. So the HVAC system keeps us comfortable by adjusting the room's temperature. But equally important, the HVAC system must keep occupants comfortable by supplying fresh air to a room. If we introduce a significant proportion of fresh exterior air and alleviate carbon dioxide buildup, occupants experience better health and performance gains. Studies have shown a direct link between CO2 levels and short-term sick leave in office workforces. However, our concerns regarding the HVAC system and occupant health do not end here. In heavily air-conditioned, energy-efficient environments, recirculated conditioned air can carry contaminants which contribute to respiratory illness. It is the HVAC system's job to remove contaminants and dust from the air using filters at various stages. As important as this consideration is in an average office or commercial building, this feature is critical in facilities that contain clean rooms, medical facilities, or hazardous materials. Finally, with the spiraling cost of fuel, HVAC systems must also be efficient and economical. Energy-efficient HVAC systems might incorporate variable air volume designs, components designed for operation at low pressures, digital control systems, mechanisms for reclaiming heating or cooling benefits from recirculated air, and high-efficiency ECM fan motors. Many price products are designed specifically with energy efficiency in mind. By understanding the importance of occupant comfort, we realize the significance of the HVAC system in a building design. It's responsible for controlling the temperature in the environment, providing fresh air to the occupants, filtering out dust and contaminants, while operating in an energy-efficient and unobtrusive manner. The following section covers the different parts that make up a basic HVAC system. Once we understand the range of components involved, we can better understand the reasons for choosing system components from Price's extensive product line. The parts of an HVAC system. The HVAC system installed in a commercial or office space differs greatly from the heating and cooling system that you might be familiar with in your house. In your home, your heating system is set up to deliver warm air during the winter and cool air in the summer. It does this using a furnace or an air conditioner and a common set of ductwork. When your thermostat detects that your home is too cold, it sends signals to the furnace, which then delivers warm air simultaneously to all parts of your house. Note that it is typical to have only one thermostat, and it does not account for temperature variation in any other rooms. Likewise, in the summer, your thermostat will detect when your home has become uncomfortably warm, and it will signal your central air conditioning system to deliver cool air simultaneously to all parts of your house. Again, note that your thermostat is measuring the temperature in only one room. The conditions in an office or commercial space are quite different. Higher concentrations of people and equipment will generate more heat, making air conditioning or recirculation of air more important than providing heat. Although the air handling equipment is centralized, different rooms and regions in the building will have different needs for heating and cooling. These needs are called loads because they place a load or demand on the HVAC system. These loads can come from equipment, people, weather, and many other factors. In the simplest case, we address this by providing a constant supply of cool air, which is then managed by the HVAC distribution system.
So, kaya ko po yung nakuha yung video na yun, no? Parang siya rin, kaya ganyan po yung video, hindi siya yung totaling nasa makina, no? Kasi parang pinapakita rin dito yung kung paano nagpa-function yung building na yan, kung paano nagpa-function yung HVAC, ay ganun din po ganun din po yung silbi nung pag-function nung sa makina. Kaya, ayan pong video yung akin napili. Sana magustuhan nyo at sana at dito na po ako natatapos. Maraming salamat. That's all. Thank you.